Wow, perfect. Interesting. Yes.
Hello, Laura.
Hi, Daniela.
I can sit you with you.
Yes, I am not expecting anyone.
Oh, perfect.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
Very good.
What is this?
This the form of the gym.
A
New.
gym? A gym? Which? Where is this?
Yes, I was walking down the street to university when I saw a sign of a new gym that will open next week. You have seen it?
No, I have not seen it, but will be a good opportunity to the start training. Have you ever training in the gym?
Yes, sometime. And you?
I have never training in a gym. What do you do to keep fit and healthy?
Yes, I try to eat healthy and I buy a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables and I use the cook with but I spend most of my time studying so I don't exercise every day. Do you do anything which is not healthy?
I probably eat the much junk food and fruits drink. My favorite food is hamburger with trees and cook, but is get lots of sleep and bike do the university every day.
Friends, if you want, I can help you. I will teach you to cook healthy.
Perfect, and I will accompany you the train every night.
Yes, the first step is to go to the supermarket. That vegetable do you prefer?
I prefer spinach, broccoli, and cabbage. And you?
I prefer eat lettuce, peas, onion, cucumbers, and carrots. I recommend it. Also, you should drink more water and more tea and less coffee. And also, you should stop eating junk food and desserts.
We can use that bike to the university and every night to go to the gym.
Yes, and okay, we will be fit.
Yes, time for you advice.
Thank
Goodbye.
you. Bye.